Blockchain technology was first introduced in 2008 by an anonymous individual or group known as Satoshi Nakamoto, who published a white paper titled Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. The white paper outlined a decentralized digital currency system that could facilitate secure and anonymous transactions without the need for a central authority. The first implementation of blockchain technology was Bitcoin, which launched in 2009. Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency that uses blockchain technology to enable secure and anonymous peer-to-peer transactions. Since the launch of Bitcoin, blockchain technology has evolved and expanded to include various other applications beyond just cryptocurrencies. Other blockchain-based platforms and applications have been developed, including Ethereum, Hyperledger, and Ripple, to name a few. Today, blockchain technology is being explored and implemented in various industries, including finance, supply chain management, healthcare, and more. The potential benefits of blockchain technology, such as increased transparency, security, and efficiency, have led to widespread interest and investment in the technology. Overall, the history of blockchain technology is relatively short but has been characterized by rapid innovation and expansion. The full scope of its potential applications is still being explored, and the technology is likely to continue evolving and transforming various industries in the years to come.